Raccourde.
Oh yeah, they wiggle their noses. This is the way he wiggles his nose. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is the way he wiggles his nose on Easter Day. Now all bunnies have long ears. Let's flop them around. This is the way he flops his ears. Flop, 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 flop. This is the way he flops his ears on Easter Day. Okay, get ready. Now we're going to shake our little cotton tails. This is the way he shakes his tail. Shake, 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 shake. This is the way he shakes his tail on Easter Day.